Let's learn native English. I'm Carrie. The channel is Learn Native English. I'm here to help you speak English naturally and confidently. Today's lesson is about past continuous tense. This is a B1 intermediate lesson. It comes directly from my platform. If you want to follow along and do these practices yourself, you can access the full course at my website, learnnativeenglish.com. I'll put the link in the description. This lesson will have specific practices to help you improve your grammar, your vocabulary, listening, pronunciation, reading, writing, and conversation skills, all related to using the past continuous tense. Let's get started. Past continuous tense. Use the past continuous to describe actions in progress, set scenes, and tell engaging stories. I invite you to repeat these objectives out loud after me. By the end, you'll be able to form past continuous sentences using was or were plus verb ing correctly. Describe what was happening at a specific moment in the past, and use past continuous to set scenes and tell engaging stories. Imagine this. It was raining. People were running for cover. A dog was barking in the distance. Can you see the scene? That's the past continuous. It describes actions that were happening, not finished, at a moment in the past. We use was or were plus verb ing. It's specifically powerful when used with when for interruptions or while for two actions at the same time. So let's learn how to paint vivid scenes. Here is some essential vocabulary. You can click to listen if you are using the module, or I will say it out loud for you so that you can repeat. While. This means during the same time as another action. For example, I was cooking while she was eating. When. This means at the moment that. It introduces something that interrupts, an interruption. I was walking home when it started to rain. Suddenly. This means quickly or unexpectedly. Suddenly the lights went out. At that moment. This is a phrase for speaking of the exact point in time. At that moment, the phone rang. Meanwhile, this means at the same time, but in another place or situation. For example, I was working, meanwhile, she was shopping. Two things happening at the same time in different places. Interrupt. Interrupt means to stop something that was happening. For example, the doorbell interrupted our dinner. Here is a dialogue preview of a conversation that uses past continuous so that you can see it in a real conversation. And if you're using the course, you can click and listen.
Can you describe what was happening at 8 p.m. last night?
I was walking my dog in the park. It was getting dark.
And what happened then?
While I was walking near the fountain, I heard a loud noise. Two people were running from the building. You can see the were plus verb ing.
What were they doing when you first noticed them?
Were doing. One was carrying a bag and the other was talking on the phone. Suddenly, a car pulled up and they jumped in. So we have the key pattern, was or were, plus verb ing. This is the basic formula for past continuous tense. I was walking. She was talking. They were sleeping. If you use a negative, it's wasn't, was not, or were not, plus verb ing. I wasn't paying attention. Question is was or were, plus subject, plus verb ing. Were you listening? The order switches a little bit when you use it as a question. When you want to use the word when for a longer interaction, a longer action, interrupted by a shorter action, it's past continuous plus when plus past simple. For example, I was taking a shower when the phone rang. The shower is in progress, interrupted by a short action. She was crossing the street when she saw an old friend. We've got past continuous plus when plus she saw, past simple. When you want to use while, which is two actions happening at the same time, it's while plus past continuous plus past continuous. While I was cooking, my husband was setting the table. These are two things happening at the same time continuously. The kids were playing while the parents were talking. And you can see that here, the while is in the middle of the two actions, and that's okay as well. You can do it at the beginning, or you can do it in between the two actions. Here's a little pronunciation tip. In natural speech, was is very quick, it's very weak. Was walking, it almost sounds like was. Don't stress it. I was walking, not I was walking. You can just let it out naturally. I was walking, was. And same with were. Were reduces to very quickly, were. Stress the main verb and not the were. They were running, were. They were running. So the emphasis is on the main verb that's doing the action, running. They were running. Don't stay too long on the were. Wasn't, 2 syllables. The T at the end sometimes is very soft. You can hardly hear it. Wasn't. You just tap your tongue, but sometimes the T doesn't even come out. It's just wasn't. Let's practice some phrases. I was walking. I was walking to work. I was walking when I saw her. If you're doing this practice on your own, you can listen here.
They were running.
And you can hear it slowly if you need to listen to it slowly.
They were running.
Can you hear how the were just reduces? Were. They were running. They were running in the park. They were running when it started to rain. She wasn't listening. Wasn't. She wasn't listening to me. She wasn't listening when the teacher called her name. I didn't overpronounce the T. Wasn't. I just said wasn't. It almost ends in an N sound. Were you sleeping? In questions, were you blends into were ya. Were you sleeping when I called? Were you sleeping at 10 p.m.? What were you doing? Stress what and doing is the most common past continuous question. What were you doing? What were you doing at 8 p.m.? What were you doing when I called? It was raining. It was blends into it was. It was raining. This is how you set a weather scene. It was raining. It was snowing. It was raining when we arrived. One more quick quiz before we go to part 2. And if you need more time to choose your answer, you can pause the video. I'm going to give the answer right away. What is the formula for the past continuous tense? Was or were plus verb ing. I was walking, for example. Which sentence uses past continuous correctly? I was watching TV when the phone rang. When do we use was versus were? Was is for I, she, he, and it. Were is for you, we, and they. I was walking when the phone rang. What does the when signal here? When is for interruptions, when a short action breaks the longer action. While I was cooking, she was cleaning. What does the while signal here? While is for two actions that are happening at the same time. Why do we say it was raining at the start of a story? To set the scene, the atmosphere, the background. It was raining. I'm going to split this lesson into two. If you want to continue, you can go to the next video.